What's up, my friends? Welcome to the channel. I'm Scotty James, and this is the hellraisin.hellraiser channel, where we are all about having fun and raising hell in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
Where's the Hellraiser, guys? Well, I'll tell you where the Hellraiser is, my friends. It's down at Sweet Cars of Fort Wayne, Indiana, getting a full paint protection film and ceramic coating. Well, since the Hellraiser's not available, we're gonna go over the 5 top favorite things I love about my 1994 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am.
Excellent!
The first thing I love about the Trans Am is the sound. Check this out, guys. Listen to the rumble of that beast. This thing's got a cam, headers, and a Borla exhaust, which gives it this great sound. Let's rev it up a bit and let you hear how that sounds.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
My second favorite thing I love about this car is the looks. Guys, I think Pontiac knocked it out of the park with the styling on this edition. This baby just looks fast sitting still. You got the beautiful white finish with the blue stripes, which is a tribute to the very first 1969 Trans Am. You got flip-up headlights, killer fog lights in the front. You got the special white wheels. Came with the 25th anniversary package. 25th logo. You got the huge rear wing on the back. Killer Trans Am tail lights. You got the Borla exhaust tips. It's just such a sleek looking ride, guys.
Yeah. Swing! Swing!
The third thing I love about the Trans Am are the T-tops. Guys, there is nothing like blasting down the highway in this car with the T-tops out and the wind is blowing through your hair. They even stow away in the back and locked down. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to take these out. Snap your fingers and they are out. There's a convenient storage in the trunk. They lock in place so they don't move around. 4th Gen was the first Trans Ams that actually had a dedicated spot for the T-tops to lock them in.
I'll be damned.
My fourth favorite thing about the Trans Am are these Autometer Phantom gauges, which are installed where the vents used to be. The first gauge is a mechanical oil pressure gauge. The second gauge is a transmission temperature gauge. And the third gauge is a water temperature gauge. If you go to the video where we take you on a nighttime POV cruise in the Trans Am, you'll see how cool these gauges look at night. They have a red lighting that matches the lighting on the dash, and they look kick-ass when they're lit up at night.
Most impressive.
And guys, the fifth and final thing I love about the Trans Am is the performance. Now, it ain't the fastest thing around anymore, but it is a hell of a lot of fun to drive. In fact, let's go for a spin right now and I'll show you.
No, I drive real fucking fast, so keep up.
it handles pretty decently too. Enough to be fun. Guys, I hope you had as much fun as I did.
I'm too old for this shit.
My friends, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop me a like, comment, and subscribe below. It helps the channel greatly, and I appreciate each and every one of you tuning in, and I will see you next time on the hellraisin.hellraiser channel. What's up, my friends? I'm Scotty James. Seriously? You fucking kidding me?